Publishing KDP books on Amazon is a great way to make a reasonably passive income online and build your own publishing business. But where do you get the ideas and graphics to create your own books without copying other people's or running into copyright problems? Well, in this video, I'm going to review a product that will give you a KDP low content niche topic to create books in what is a relatively untapped niche. Now, if that piques your interest, then stay with me while I run through the highlights of this product and how you can get hold of it to use in your business. If you've not visited this channel before, my name is Jane Willingale of Silver Zone Printables, and I make videos on how to create graphics and content for low content products on Amazon and printables on other platforms such as Etsy, as well as your own website. And if you like videos such as these, then please do give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you receive notification of when I produce more videos like this. Amazon KDP is not so easy to break into anymore. That's a challenging statement, I know. In the early days of 2012 or so, you could throw almost any kind of colouring book up and make loads of sales. But those simpler days are gone. But it's not to say you can't create books and load them on Amazon easily. You can. And therein lies the problem. There are thousands of books on there which are just that. In some cases, very little thought gone into them, and they clog up the listings with books that look pretty nondescript, don't stand out, don't really add value, and then the authors wonder why they don't make any sales. Amazon KDP becomes a waste of time in their eyes. So when you go to load your books, people have to wade through all these listings before they even see yours, unless you make them stand out. And here's the secret. You need to drill down into specific interests that people are passionate about, where the competition is low, the demand is high, and we need to find specific colouring subgenres people are crazy about, and in niches we can easily create books for and Etsy printables. And with this bit more effort and a little more research, many more sales can be made, and that completely changes the experience of selling books on Amazon. Now, I promised you a product that could introduce you to a fairly untapped niche and the sources for the content you would need. This is introducing The Colour of Money. Pretty sure the play on the title and movie is intentional, and it covers the tattoo colouring book niche, which fits the criteria which I've just mentioned perfectly. Let me also introduce Stuart, Turnbull and Bart Hennin, who've been producing these kind of products for several years and know a lot about researching and creating these products for the low content and printables market. They are my go-to for anything to do with Etsy prints and printables, and my first port of call for how to do something for free before I decide if it is worth investing in. The Colour of Money is no exception, and if you like the idea of creating books fast with virtually zero writing in a niche that can potentially bring in hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month, then you'll want to get hold of a copy of this report. They take you through the entire research process, show you exactly how to decide on the sub-niches and if they are worth the time by showing the profits that others are making within those niches. You get to see the printables that are selling on Etsy as an alternative platform, and how you can create more breakout products from one book and so increase your income. You get links to videos that show you exactly how to do every step so you're never left floundering in the dark. After all, it's all very well having masses of ideas, but no good if you still have no idea how to implement those ideas. So they take you through where to source the images for all this content, some paid, some free, remind you of the things to look out for, like commercial rights and copyright, give you ideas on how to make even PLR images unique and original to you. One source which I've discussed in my videos before is Creative Fabrica. There's a link in the description below. Every so often they have a sale on their subscription price, which from memory I think is around $29 a month. If you manage to catch one of those, you never pay any more as long as you continue to subscribe. I've been doing this for 2 to 3 years now, and I only pay something like $11 a month. I'm not saying you'll manage to get it for that price, but if you're lucky and you keep an eye on it, then you can. They also do trial periods, so you could download thousands of dollars worth of graphics to keep you going for months with different products over a short period of time, essentially getting them really cheaply. There are other free sources available too, all given in this report, so don't be put off by having to find graphics for this niche. And in my courses on using Affinity Publisher and Designer, I also cover how you can download and edit graphics to make them your own, as well as how to create them from scratch. You can check those out at the links below in the description. Stuart and Bart cover how to scale up, how to find low competition sub-niches and the phrases to target. They give you, as a bonus, 60 plus keywords to get you started on researching profitable sub-niches. Another bonus provides you with the complete steps of how to create your first book using completely free software. From sourcing the graphics and creating your cover to loading your book on Amazon. There is one upgrade that covers even more unusual related niches, including the keywords and the details of what to look for and how to create the books. An absolute steal at only $8 and well worth it if you want to expand into this niche. So there you have it, a relatively untapped niche on Amazon KDP to create books for that will give you the head start you've maybe been looking for. And if you're still unsure, then here's the icing on the cake, a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you're unhappy for any reason, they will refund your money. That means you get to try out and review the entire contents of the course. And if you're not happy, it doesn't cost you anything. Do I recommend you buy this report? No, not at all. I think you'd be much better spending months trying various different niches, getting nowhere, and wondering what you got into this business for in the first place. I'm joking, of course. Seriously, if you have any desire to create low content books for Amazon KDP or printables for Etsy and other platforms and have yet to dip your toe in the water, then you could do a lot worse than spend $19, that's the launch price, or $37.95 full price after January the 16th on this report. Stuart and Bart are very responsive to questions, will always help out where they can, and are just really great people keen to see others succeed. I kind of like them, as you may have guessed. You'll find all the links you need below. I've been Jane Willingale at Silver Zone Printables. Until the next time. Thanks for watching.